Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a machine we do not see a lot of. This is a KitchenAid, and it was brought in by Jose because the steam boiler would not produce any steam. We took the machine apart and we discovered that first and foremost a fuse had been blown. So we replaced that fuse, and then it did pressure up, it did produce heat, and that's when we noticed there was a leak. The leak is probably persistent and been around for a while. You can see down at the bottom left there. So we went ahead and replaced the gasket to fix that leak, and after doing that the pressure was able to build normally. Then there was a leak at the steam wand, so we replaced the gasket and the steam valve, and now this machine is fully operational and not leaking. So let's draw a shot. It's not the quietest machine I've ever seen.
The shot looks great.
Sure does. Oh yeah. Very, very, very decent. Good job, KitchenAid. And Jose, thanks for bringing it in. It was a very cool machine to work on. Not something we see very often. And if you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every day. Have a good one.